like to save the data during the live trading. So it can happen that you want to save the stock information like entry price, exit price, total profit and loss, or stop loss. So these things you want to save it in some file. So for that we will look like how to do that. So the first thing is like you need to first define the stock, like its parameters and all. So for that we have defined a dictionary. So here you can see that we have added a dictionary in the form of key value pair. So in the key we have the stock name, and in the value we have the stock name, entry price, stop loss. So whatever you want to save, we can have it as a key value, and we will save it. So after that we need to save it in some CSV file, suppose. So for that, and we need to do some file operations. For the file operations we have this method append items. So in this we are passing the file name, we are passing the dictionary, and we passing the key value. The key value is this key value pair. So we are passing a key value here, and here in the line number 7 you can see that here is a method called open. It is opening a file, and this is a like it is appending the data. Appending means whatever you have in the file you are adding some more values here. So it old data would be there, and the new file also be there. So it is using a CSV writer function, and inside that for every key and view it is matching with the key value. If it gets matched, then it will add that dictionary over here, and finally it will close this. So for let us run it. So I have added a simple for loop here. So for name means SPNL save, I will add some random values here, and I will append the items. So let me run this command. Let this run this code. So you can see the code has been executed, and let's open this. So it is inside this PNL save. So you can see that has been appended in this file. So let us delete over this file here. Okay, so let us run again. Let's see if the values are getting stored or not. So you can see that 2 more files has been added here. So this is the very basic and very simple approach to store your all data of during live trading. So thank you guys.